SAMH English.
Hi, Sarah. How can I learn English speaking easily?
Learning English is easy if you practice daily.
What should I do first?
Start with simple words and sentences.
Should I learn grammar first?
No, just speak naturally first.
How can I improve my vocabulary?
Learn 5 new words every day.
Where can I find new words?
Read books, watch videos, and listen to people.
Is reading important?
Yes, reading helps you learn new words.
What books should I read?
Read simple storybooks or English newspapers.
Can I learn from watching movies?
Yes, watch movies with subtitles.
What kind of movies?
Start with cartoons or simple movies.
Should I write in English?
Yes, writing helps you remember words.
What should I write?
Write about your daily life.
Can I talk to myself in English?
Yes, talk in front of a mirror.
Will that help?
Yes, it builds confidence.
Should I find a speaking partner?
Yes, talking to a friend is helpful.
How often should I practice?
Practice speaking every day.
What if I make mistakes?
Don't worry, mistakes help you learn.
How can I correct my mistakes?
Listen to others and learn from them.
Should I think in English?
Yes, try to think in English.
How can I do that?
Name things around you in English.
What about listening practice?
Listen to English songs and news.
Is slow or fast speaking better?
Speak slowly but clearly.
How do I improve pronunciation?
Listen and repeat words correctly.
Should I use a dictionary?
Yes, use an English-to-English dictionary.
What about learning phrases?
Yes, learn common phrases.
Can I learn from social media?
Yes, follow English pages and videos.
What if I feel shy?
Don't be shy, just keep talking.
How can I stay motivated?
Set small goals and celebrate success.
Can I learn from kids' books?
Yes, children's books use simple words.
What if I forget words?
Write them down and review them.
Should I join an English class?
Yes, a class can help you.
Can I learn online?
Yes, many free websites teach English.
How can I check my progress?
Record yourself speaking English.
Should I copy native speakers?
Yes, imitate their way of speaking.
What about English podcasts?
Yes, they are great for listening practice.
Is speaking more important than grammar?
Yes, speaking is more important.
Can I practice with a voice recorder?
Yes, listen to your own voice.
Should I read aloud?
Yes, it improves pronunciation.
What is the best way to learn quickly?
Speak as much as possible.
Can I practice with English songs?
Yes, sing along with the lyrics.
Should I use flashcards?
Yes, they help you remember words.
Can I learn from English jokes?
Yes, they make learning fun.
Should I use English apps?
Yes, apps like Duolingo can help.
Can I speak with native speakers?
Yes, use online chat or calls.
What about watching news?
Yes, English news helps a lot.
Should I read subtitles?
Yes, they help you understand.
Can I improve by teaching others?
Yes, teaching helps you learn faster.
Should I learn slang words?
Yes, but focus on formal English first.
Can I learn with tongue twisters?
Yes, they improve fluency.
Should I make English friends?
Yes, they will help you practice.
How do I stop translating?
Think directly in English.
Should I learn synonyms?
Yes, they expand your vocabulary.
Can I practice by making stories?
Yes, storytelling improves fluency.
Should I use simple sentences?
Yes, simple is better.
Can I practice by texting in English?
Yes, chatting helps too.
How do I stay consistent?
Make a daily learning schedule.
Should I review old lessons?
Yes, revision is important.
Can I learn through games?
Yes, English games are helpful.
What if I don't have time?
Just practice for 10 minutes daily.
Can I listen to English radio?
Yes, it's good for listening skills.
Should I practice in front of friends?
Yes, tracking helps improvement.
Can I learn from English quotes?
Yes, they teach good expressions.
Should I use a notebook?
Yes, write new words daily.
Can I practice at home?
Yes, home is the best place.
How do I make learning fun?
Use songs, games, and stories.
What if I get bored?
Change your method and keep going.
Can I be fluent in 1 month?
No, but you can improve a lot.
How long does fluency take?
It depends on your practice.
Should I learn idioms?
Yes, they make speaking interesting.
Can I learn by watching sports commentary?
Yes, that's a great idea.
What is the most important rule?
Never stop practicing.
Yssamh English.